WhatsApp Business is a separate chat app specifically created for people running small businesses. With the help of this app, businesses can interact with their customers easily by using tools to sort, automate, and quickly respond to messages. The app has been available on Android since the beginning of 2018. The iOS version, on the other hand, has recently started rolling out in certain countries and should be in the Indian App Store soon. But the bigger question is, how does this app help your business? Let us show you. For this video, we'll be testing out the stable version of WhatsApp Business that's already available on Android. Go to the Google Play Store and download WhatsApp Business. Once installed, open the app. Now get done with the regular setting up of the app. Enter your number, verify the OTP, and after the verification, the app will ask if you want to restore a backup. Go ahead, and now what you will see is totally different than what you usually see while setting up WhatsApp. On the Create Your Profile page, enter your name and select a category of your business. Once done, hit Next. And this is the home screen of the app. The first thing the app will ask you is to describe your business. Go ahead and tap on Describe Your Business. Enter your business address. Enter a description. After that, enter business hours. Over here, you get the option to schedule your work timings. You can either be open for 24 hours on all days, or you can set that to by appointment only, or you can even set specific work hours. Once this is sorted, enter your email and a website if you have one, and hit save. Now when you go to settings and check your business profile, all your details including your work address, your work hours, your email and your website will be right there. All this information will be reflected on the screen whenever a customer checks out your profile. And apart from setting up a business profile, there are a few more features to look out for. So go to Settings, select Business Settings, and over here you'll find Messaging Tools. Away message is for the times when you're not around and will automatically reply with a message. You can schedule the timings of your away message and also edit the recipients for the same. Going back, you'll find Greeting Message. Setting this up will automatically greet customers whenever they send you a message. Again, you can edit your greeting and select the recipients for the same as well. Lastly, there are Quick Replies. So whenever in a chat you want to reply quickly to frequently asked questions, you can simply set shortcuts of your choice. Now before replying, when you hit /, you'll see a list of quick replies pop up. Now under Business Settings, there is a short link feature as well. This will allow you to access a short URL to share with your customers so that they can start a WhatsApp chat with you. Apart from these nifty features, you can also label your chats. To do that, long press on a contact and tap the label button up top. Now choose from the existing labels that are present, or you can create a new one. Once done, hit Save. Now labels will help you organize and tag contacts accordingly so that whenever you are searching for a customer, you can simply go to the Labels tab instead of going through your complete chat list. Now keep in mind that WhatsApp allows one mobile number to be linked to one WhatsApp account. What this means is that if your current phone number is already being used by WhatsApp, then you cannot use that phone number for a WhatsApp business account. So we'll suggest that you go out and get yourself a secondary SIM card and a new phone to run WhatsApp Business unless you have a dual SIM device. WhatsApp Business also supports WhatsApp Web, wherein you can manage the service online through a computer. The feature is not on the same level as its mobile counterpart, but we expect it to get better in the near future. WhatsApp Business as a communication tool has a lot of potential for businesses of all kinds. Adding to the fact that we can expect WhatsApp payments to also get integrated into the app in a future build, and WhatsApp will surely have a game changer in its hand. So that's all for this video. We hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.